Well, if you are getting the ChatGPT 503 service temporarily unavailable error, then the solution is very simple. Click on website video information in the URL section, click on cookies and site data, and remove all the cookies file related to ChatGPT. Now minimize your browser, click on Windows button, type CMD, and open the command prompt as an administrator. Now type ipconfig /+DNS and press the enter button to execute this command. Please note that this command is only clears your computer's DNS cache, fixing some network issues. It does not remove or change your IP addresses. Now type nets winsock reset and press the enter button. This command resets your Windows network setting to fix connectivity issues. It also does not remove or change your internet IP addresses. Now try to accessing your ChatGPT again. If the problem persists, it is likely a server-side issue with ChatGPT, which should resolve on its own within a few minutes to an hour. Stay safe.